So here we have created a dictionary and store that dictionary in a value called ASCII code. This dictionary is useful to access the ASCII code for each and every alphabet from A to Z. And the need of this you will understand when you will check the description below for the problem statement. Problem statement is mentioned clearly in the description. Just check it out. Now let's start the main code. So here in this block we have created a class named as myDict, and in this class we have created another method called as add that will add the key and value pair to our dictionary. Now to use this method we have to create an object of this particular class. Now we have created an object called as dictObj. Now we can easily call this add method. Now if I run this code till now, you can see that our dictionary has been created and stored in this dictObj. After this, our task is completed. Now let's write the main logical part of this code. Create another function called as string check. That is the main motto of our code. You can check the description for the full problem statement. Pass a parameter a. Now writing the body of this method is complete. Now it's time to call this method. Here I will pass a string. Now let's run this program. Here you can see the output as no. This was the output for sample test case 1. Now if I try this code with another test case, here I will change the string to BBA. Let's try again. You can see that it printed yes. So for the problem statement and the explanation of this problem, you can refer to my description box below and you will understand this properly. Thank you.